If you have unwanted emails in your Yahoo Mail, then this is what you're going to do to block them. So first step, once you're in your dashboard, you're just going to click on the check box right here at the left side of the email that you want to block. Now, once you have that checked, you're going to head over to the top toolbar right here, and then you're going to click on the three dots right here. Now, once you click on that, you will see this option to block the sender. So you're just going to click on it. Now, from here, you're going to check all of the boxes that you want to apply. So first, you can choose to block all future emails, or you can also just choose to block all or to delete all existing emails. So you're just going to click on block all future emails as well as delete, and then you're going to click on block. Now, once that action has been confirmed, your messages from the selected senders will be deleted and they will be blocked from your email. And that's it. That is how you're going to block emails on your Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.